Let's learn Excel by figuring out how other Excel sheets are created. I got this Gantt chart for free from this link. Today we are going to look at the formula in cell I5. First, let's figure out what Project Start refers to. Go to Formulas, then Name Manager. Here we can see that Project Start equals cell E3 on the Project Schedule sheet. The date is displayed with a three-letter day, numerical month, numerical day, and numerical year. To see this format, go to Home, click on this drop-down, click on More Number Formats. Here you can see the date type. To find out what numerical value November 14, 2022 equates to in Excel, click on this drop-down, select General. Now you can see November 14, 2022 equals 44879. Microsoft Excel stores dates as sequential serial numbers so they can be used in calculations. By default, January 1st, 1900 is serial number 1, while November 14, 2022 is serial number 44879. Note that Project Schedule refers to the Project Schedule sheet. Now we can replace Project Start with the number 44879. Let's look at the weekday formula. 44879 is a sequential number representing the date of the day that we are trying to find. The return type specifies which integers are to be assigned to each weekday. Since it is set to 1, it will take Sunday as the first day of the week. Weekday 44879, 1 equals 2 since 44879 equals Monday, November 14, 2022. Now our formula looks like this because we replace the weekday formula with a 2. The last thing we have to figure out is what does display week equate to. To find this, go to Formulas, Name Manager. Here we can see that display week is in cell E4. Therefore, our formula looks like this, and the result is 44879. In conclusion, I5 displays as the number 14 because under Custom, More Number Formats, type is set today.